Welcome to the full Ray-Ban Meta buying guide. I'm going to tell you what I would do if I could go back in time and buy the perfect pair of Ray-Ban Metas, how to finesse the system to get an incredible deal with great customization options, and just everything you want without losing out on any of the things you don't want. So right away, you might be considering whether you should get the transitions like these, which turn into sunglasses when I go outside, or just normal clear glasses, or just sunglasses, because there's pros and cons to each. But what if you don't have to choose? What if you can have all of them? Well, you can. I would recommend you do not get the transitions like I did. I uncovered this pretty incredible product that for a minimum of $35, you can replace the lenses extremely easily. So for that reason, I would recommend you do not get the transitions like I did. These cost me $429. That is way too much money for glasses. So first things first, where can you get the Ray-Ban Metas for cheapest? So first, you're going to click on the first link in this video that says Ray-Ban Meta discount. That will bring you to this page where you'll find renewed Ray-Ban Metas. Instead of the $429 that I paid, you're starting at $239. These are fully refurbished and in excellent condition. From here, you have all these options. And what I'm going to urge you to focus on first is the frames, not the lenses, because we can change the lenses later. The frames, we can't. So headliner or Wayfarer, those are going to be your two main options in this really cheap category. I would recommend Wayfarer because it looks good on everyone. If you're never going to wear the clear ones and you just want sunglasses, then go for just the sunglasses. Or if you know you only want clear, go for the clear. The point is, pay attention to the frame. Really, the only two options you have for the frame are the black or the shiny caramel. All right, now that you picked that, let's say you picked this $239 Wayfarer frame, which is black, which I would highly recommend. Not just because Wayfarers tend to look good on everyone, but because almost every single accessory made for Ray-Ban Metas is built for the Wayfarer glasses, not the headliner or the Skyler, because Wayfarer sells way more. So keeping these customizable and adaptive to your style is going to be by far the easiest with the Wayfarers. So please, unless you're in love with round frames, get the Wayfarers. All right, so I've picked these, right? $239, great. Now what? They arrive, let's say I don't like these greenish lenses. Well, this is where the crazy stuff comes in. If you got the regular sized Ray-Ban Metas, click on the second link in the description that says regular replacement lenses. If you got the large Ray-Ban Metas, click on the third link that says large replacement lenses. This is where it gets crazy. If I scroll down here, you'll see all these different options. These are mostly mirrored sunglasses. But the crazy thing I'm going to tell you is you don't necessarily need these. If you're sold on sunglasses, you can get these if you want and just pop out the lenses of your Ray-Ban Metas extremely easily. If you don't know how to do that, I have a video on that as well. But you're going to scroll down, and if it isn't already selected, you're going to click on this one that has a clear one and a black one. These are transition lenses for these glasses for $32. So you pay $239 plus $32, which is $271 instead of $429 that I paid. And you would have the exact same glasses with transition lenses just like I have for significantly cheaper. It's stupid how much cheaper it is. Then, once you have those transitions, don't buy these mirrored lenses because they're $35 each. That seems like a lot. Now what you're going to do is click on the fourth link in the description, which is polarizer lens clips. There's actually more than just the fourth link in the description. I have them listed and list the different colors of sunglasses you can attach. Just click on the one that sounds the most like you. These sunglasses that look way cooler than just the transition to black can all be attached extremely easily to your Ray-Ban Metas, making them look significantly cooler. I got 4 colors, purple, blue, yellow, and black, all for about $30. So our total price here is $301. This is exactly what I would have done if I could go back. For that price, I would have Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer glasses with slightly shaded lenses, an extra set of lenses that are transition from clear to sunglasses for outside. And I would have 4 polarizer clip-ons of 4 different colors, each that look amazing to change with my outfit or for whatever occasion I need. All for $130 less than I spent. That's around 30% off of the full sales price for significantly more glasses, variety, and styles. This is absolutely insane, and no one is talking about this. So that is exactly what I would do. And again, I would highly recommend Wayfarers because those polarizer lens clips, they don't exist for the headliners or for the Skylers. So please get the Wayfarers, get the cheapest one with the frames that you want, either the black or the caramel, or you can go up in price if you want to get other types of frames, and then just buy the transition inserts and get polarizing clip-ons. If you just want them to be sunglasses all the time, you can just clip on the black ones. And the 4 colors I showed you aren't it, there's more. I've listed as many as I can down in the description. Please check out all those links. I hope I saved you so much time of searching and regretting decisions. If you want to know about more Ray-Ban Meta accessories that you have never heard of before, go ahead and check out my video on 5 Ray-Ban Meta accessories. And if you want to know how to replace the lenses, check out my video on that.